Good morning, Robin with LeBon Bee Farm here. Day 2 of our meat birds. Fortunately, we did lose one yesterday. Got out of a little crack. Little bitty small crack, and it managed to squeeze through it. Not sure if one of our chickens killed it or if just being outside away from the heat did it. But so we're down to 103. Good morning. I don't see any that look like there's a problem. Everybody seems to be okay, except they're out of water. Get on that right away. Get them some more magic water. Thought I had a second gallon, but I don't. Oh, that's scary. Look at that whole gallon. Grit. Feed. Oh yeah, there's still plenty going feed. Okay. Still good on grit. Still plenty good on their feeds for now. So just force the 1 gallon of warm water, half a cup of honey, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. So I'm gonna get them at least 1 more gallon water so we can have it prepped and ready to go, so I don't have to leave them here even longer than when they ran out, if they'll already have it ready. Okay. Good morning. What did y'all do over here? I need to actually go ahead and breed chinchillas. We're getting into, we've got some cool weather coming, not cold certainly, but cooler weather coming. Well, no successes with the chinchillas. It may be still too hot because the buck really wasn't. He tried a little bit, but usually he tries a little harder than that. Clean up one of the does is mat here is really filthy, so I'm gonna clean that up. I know. You are impatient. Look at you. You are so impatient. It's coming. Every morning. And every afternoon. Alright, I'll get back. I know I'm a little late on y'all. Take care of y'all in just a second. So we're trying to keep these mats clean. We won't have the mats. We don't want any sore hawks or anything of that nature. Her water was leaking, so I think that's where the issue really came in. So I swapped her out with a different nipple. So of course, when that happens, not only does it get her mat wet from hair and hay, but it also soaks the ground. So I have to get the chickens to really churn that up so they can bring some of that drier matter from underneath it and get that wet stuff mixed in really good. That's your 2 eggs. Good job. There you go. Their eggs are up and down with this molting situation. Initially the quail were holding off, but now it looks like they're molting as well. So that has cost us pretty big time in our egg production across the board. Hey, look here. Look here. All right, y'all come work this area. Too. Normally I'd go ahead and bring them 2 scoops. Since I've got y'all with me, good thing is right here really close. So an extra handful of steps, not gonna hurt my timing on my day. So we don't let them out of the racking until we're done milking. It's just, they really spook the goats. As much as we want to get them out free ranging as fast as possible, it's just proved to be too much of a pain when milking the goats. So, excuse me, a little stopped up this morning. I don't know, some kind of allergies kicking in, possibly. Hopefully that's all it is. Here they come. Good morning. How are y'all? Kept everybody safe last night, huh? Okay, get off there, Jack. Jack he is the real attention seeker, aren't you, buddy? Okay, eat your breakfast. Get your water tub. Morning, Hank.
Have you gotten duck eggs yet?
No, but I saw 2. I fed them, but I forgot to go in and get the eggs.
They're in timeout. They decided to run out when I'm feeding the pigs. They can wait until I'm reading the milk.
Oh. They ran out of the gate?
Yep.
Oh, shame, shame, shame. Violet is quite the loud girl, wanting her breakfast. Good morning, Violet. Come on. Let's bring this back up here. Here you go. Sunflower seeds and some alfalfa. They're actually low on alfalfa, so I gotta get some more of that today when I get that gallon waterer. Morning, Newton. Oreo, Grover. Okay, so I've opened them up a new paddock area, but their water's so full I don't want to just dump it out because we're hauling water over here. So what I'm going to do is they'll work their way into that new grass because they really want that grass. Once they finish their hay, that buys us some more time. The sheep, last night I opened up a new area for them. I'm kind of doing a little test to see. I feel confident it's going to work, but I've got 2 strands poly rope running on this fence here into the woods, and then that ties into this 4-strand Gallagher on this side, and then there's a 4-strand Gallagher. It's kind of hard to see, but it runs down here and then goes down to the wood line there, because they've eaten all of this that they want to eat. They're not eating any more of it, so I want to get them into the paddock in the woods, see what they'll eat out of that brambly weed / briar, a little bit of tree leaf. Well, my battery died right before I started moving the sheep over, so I herded them down to that wood line because they were hanging out in their shelter, and I've cut off their ability to access that shelter. We don't have any rain coming. They have their shade structure that I originally built for the cows. The sheep are using it now, plus they have the wood line itself. So that way I can kind of force them to get into that area and stay away from that shelter because they've had access to it too long. So get me some coffee and some breakfast and then start running errands. Y'all have a great day.